agent that's using Cartesia, like how sure are you that if you were able to deploy it into a business, that business would be able to get a positive ROI? And like, what's your pricing point that you're looking to charge for like that?
Yeah, so I'm not sure yet. So the first step is to deploy them to my own business. A couple steps away from that, I'm not using Twilio, I'm using Telenix, which
Uh-huh.
is apparently better than Twilio for this. Like it's designed to be a voice agent telephony service. Um, but other than that, like I'm a couple steps away, and then my plan is to deploy it into my business and make sure that it works.
Okay.
And then it's like I think I couldn't quantify ROI, but I think it's positive in the sense that every call that you don't miss for a business is good. No
Yeah.
matter, I mean, unless the agent tells the lead to fuck off,
Yeah.
if it handles it in a semi-professional way,
Yeah.
takes notes, whatever, if it's an emergency, alerts the owner or whatever, and then I think it's going to be a net positive. In terms of price point, I don't know. So like the so my the what I'm thinking about is, obviously in terms of a business point of view, from my point of view, like I want to have recurring revenue. But also I recognize that there's some sort of subscription fatigue. And so the way that I'm planning on deploying it right now is building it independently on somebody else's own architecture. So like one of the ways that I'm gonna frame it is that I build your thing and whatever the thing is, and then when it's all done, I give you the keys and you're done. And the only ongoing cost that you have per month is the VPS and whatever, kind of spend you get. He's gone.
I think
Whatever.
he's just yeah, we're losing him once in a while. I know what's going on, but yeah, he might
Yeah.
be
And then
listening.
whatever spend there is per month is whatever like API usage you have. So there's not like an ongoing
I
charge.
see.
I mean, like,
But you still need recurring revenue. How do you get that? Goes into the API usage? No, it's got to be
no, no, no.
some.
I think most people are gonna because any kind of automation system like this, it's gonna need attention. It's just
Yeah,
the nature of it. It's not
always.
it's
Yeah,
not like you can just let it free, whatever. So you need somebody, kind of at the guard post or at the control panel.
right. You
So
need like a manager of a dashboard or something to monitor
yeah.
these
So
things.
like I'll do that. I'll offer that, but then I'm also just going to offer is like, no, it's a one-time build. Here's the keys. Here's the
Yeah,
documentation on how to take care of it. And if you want like one-on-one training, well, then that's another post, like a
yeah,
upsell purchase. Or if you want ongoing maintenance, it's X dollars per
yeah.
month.
I think that's a good strategy to begin with because it doesn't tie you into your product, right? Like
Yeah,
you're going to make mistakes and learn as you go. So a lot of these things you can then just cut them, say, hey, here's the product, here's what, and
yeah.
then later on, if you get really good at it, then where it pays to have subscription. Yeah,
When I get really good at it.
yeah, when you get good at it. Yeah.
Yeah, the plan because I mean, as a business owner, I fucking hate like one of the reasons that I'm able to do this is because I resist the monthly payment. I don't want to pay
Yeah.
$50 for something. Like my buddy is in a
Uh,
cleaning business and he pays